Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a fun ice cream dispenser. First, gather your materials. You'll need a clean, sturdy plastic bottle, perhaps a 1-liter soda bottle, to serve as the main chamber. Also, find a strong, food-grade plunger or a similar pushing mechanism that fits snugly inside the bottle. Don't forget a small, conical nozzle, which could be made from a plastic cap, to shape your ice cream stream. Make sure everything is sparkling clean and safe for food contact. Next, let's craft the core dispensing system. Take a circular piece of food-grade plastic, slightly smaller than the bottle's inner diameter, to act as your plunger head. Securely attach a sturdy handle or rod, about 8 to 10 inches long, to the center of this disc. This assembly will push the ice cream. Test its movement inside the bottle. It should slide easily but create a good seal to effectively push the ice cream out. Now for the final assembly. Carefully attach your chosen nozzle to the bottle's opening. You might use a strong, food-safe adhesive or a threaded connection if your materials allow. It's crucial that this connection is completely airtight to prevent any messy leaks when dispensing. Once the nozzle is secure, insert your plunger mechanism into the bottle from the wider, open end. It should slide in smoothly, ready to push the delicious treat. To operate your new ice cream dispenser, first, ensure your ice cream is slightly softened, not rock hard, for easy dispensing. Fill the bottle with your favorite flavor. Then apply steady, even pressure to the plunger handle. You'll see a smooth, consistent stream of ice cream emerge from the nozzle. You can even try different nozzle shapes for fun, unique designs, making dessert time extra special for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.